In this video, let us solve more problems based on trigonometric identities. So we've got a problem here which reads like this. Prove that root of 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta equals secant theta minus tan theta. So I'll tell you how do we go about solving this problem before I start it off. The first thing that has to come to the mind is to remove the square root, right? So let me show you how to do that. Remove the square root, we need some squares inside, right? Say, for example, square root of a square is just a. So let's imagine we've got some squares, or how do we get squares inside now? So what we do is, we've got 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. Multiply both the denominator and the numerator by 1 minus sine theta. So we're going to get 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is nothing but 1 minus sine theta the whole square, and 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is nothing but it's a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So it's going to be 1 minus sine square theta. So now let's continue doing it. We've got 1 minus sine theta the whole square. This is fine, but then we cannot take the square root of this. So 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta. Comes from the identity. Now you can see that this is squared as a whole and this is squared as a whole. So we can take it out and we can write it as 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. So we can write this as 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta, which is nothing but 1 by cos theta is secant theta and sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. So we've got the RHS here. So this is what we wanted and this is what we've got. So briefing you about this problem, the first thing is to, look and take out the square root symbol. To take out the square root symbol, you need to somehow make squares inside and just figure out a way to make squares inside. This is what I've done. You see if you can do something else. And this is where we end up. The most important thing here is to remember that 1 minus sine square theta equals cos square theta. That comes from sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So we've got cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta. So I've replaced 1 minus sine square theta by cos square theta here. So that's all I've done. So that is what you have to do. And once you do that, you can remove the square root, because square root of something squared is the same thing. So let's quickly solve another problem. So we've got another problem here which says, prove that root of 1 plus cos theta over 1 minus cos theta equals cosecant theta plus cot theta. Now this is no different from the previous problem. Conceptually, of course, the functions have changed. There was sine and secant and tan. Here it's 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. The concept is the same. First, look to remove the square root. So what do you do for that? You just have to try and get in squares. That's all you have to do. So 1 plus cos theta over 1 minus cos theta. Try and multiply this by 1 plus cos theta. So you're multiplying the numerator as well as the denominator by 1 plus cos theta. So you're getting this, and you're going to get 1 plus cos theta the whole square over a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. This is going to be 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 minus cos square theta under the square root. So now you still can't take out the square root. Of course, you can take for 1, but might as well, let's do both and take it out. So we've got 1 plus cos theta the whole square. And 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta. Comes from the identity. So now we can take out the square root. It's going to come down to 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. This is nothing but 1 by sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta. We know that 1 by sine theta is cosecant theta and cos theta by sine theta is cot theta, because tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan, which is cos theta by sine theta. So here we've got the RHS. This is what we wanted. Again, the important thing is to look to, try and look to take out the square root, and watch out here. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. Again, this comes from the first identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. And sine square theta equals 1 minus cos square theta. So this ends this particular video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on trigonometric identities.